Yes lads, welcome back to another video. Another lit upload again, but I was away at the weekend so I didn't get anything done to the pit bike. So I only got working on the pit bike on Monday, so I didn't get a video up. So I got some work done Monday, some work done today, Tuesday. So I'll show you now what I've done. Alright. So basically just got the front back together more or less. We have the front wheel on, brake caliper back on, wee guards there, the front bit of the plastics, sticker on there. So you kind of see how it's going to be shaping up now, so it's pretty cool looking. The colours there, sweet. I got the petrol tank back on with the new cap, and the rear swing arm, the suspension back on as well. So a wee bit done. It's just kind of, it's not a while up, but it's kind of cool to see it starting to come back together again now. One thing that is slightly annoying, I found out that my tube in the rear tire is fucked, so I have to go get a new one of them and get it put back in again. So that's another kind of thing that I'll have to go and do someday. If you want to see the rest of the parts that are sprayed, the plastics, a few bits of the frame and stuff, go to last week's video and give it a watch. Make sure to like and subscribe. Going to try to get 20 likes in this video. That's all kind of pit bike wise today. Just kind of seeing it coming back together again, it's nice. I have a few other things to show you too, so we'll go look at them now. Right lads, so we're going to have a look at the LTR today. So I understand the video, the exhaust in here, you can see it's shifting. I think it needs a gasket, just as it comes out of the engine here. And the bottom bolt and underneath, you see where I'm pointing now, is broken. So that's probably going to have to be drilled out.
Pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing. Got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe.
It's completely sheared. If I can get my finger here. There's like a hacksaw line, someone has obviously tried to go at it before. And you can see where the bolt is in there. So, can't wait to go at that. Give me some crack. That's the exhaust offer. The plan for the shop is just really get that exhaust fixed. There's back brake pads there for her. There. You want to get this away. The Nerf bar nets, there's two different ones in there, but I have a set of blue ones there, so I'm just going to put blue on both sides. Polish up the Nerf bars, polish up the wheels, polish up the wheelie bar. Tighten the chain. And then I'll polish up that front bumper too. And change this. This is supposed to say XRW, but it says WRX. That's an XRW front bumper. It's a nice quad, like, came out of Scotland, so if there's anybody watching in Scotland who knows who had this yuck, he's in Donegal now. Anyway, look. That's all I can get done today. Wayne's are off school, so took her on to Uris. I just wanted to get an idea of what way that bolt was and the manifold. I don't really know what to make of it. I'll talk to Aaron about it and see what he thinks. Good luck. So some good news LTR wise. As you can see from previous videos, Jackie was having a look. And he kind of was just getting an idea of what needed to be done. So he got a good look at that, and then Aaron got cracking on it, and of course he got it sorted. So if you look on here, he, don't ask me how, but he got a MIG welder and was able to get out the nut that was broke in there. So you can see down And the lower part, the top one was fine, the bottom one's the one that needed work. He got it out, no bother to him. I'd say it was awkward enough to get at and work with, but he got it done. So yep, the engine doesn't need to come out. They can get that fixed soon enough and hopefully get this yacht a proper run when she's ready. Right, I just thought I'd share this one with you. This is my girlfriend's old car. It's a Peugeot 207. She had this car for about 2 years, I think, and I'd never give her any bother. And then next thing one day there was a ticking noise coming from the engine area. She took it to her mechanic and he basically just said, no good. She's going to have to be scrapped or else you need a new engine for it. So from the noise that he heard, that's what his kind of diagnosis was. He never even looked at it. So the car lay out at her house for about 2 more years. Nothing ever been done with it. Got this stage then where she was sick of it and she just wanted to get rid of it, get it off the streets. So she was nearly thinking of just scrapping it. But I said, look, we'll take it over to my house and we'll get Aaron to look at it. So this is funny. Aaron YouTubed it. And a lot of other people with this car had issues with a ticking noise in the engine area. Turns out it was an alternator belt. €20 for the alternator belt. And it took Aaron an hour to change it and kind of figure out what it was. 2 years been lying. €20 and an hour's work. Aaron's now washed it and polished it. And it's quite class. Like it's a lot of gleaming, so it is. There's a few other wee things it needs. It has a hole in the exhaust. What do you hear this? So that has to be fixed. Other than that, we've had her runs and she's going perfectly. Like, she's a 1.4 petrol, so I'd say she'll just try to get her cleaned up and sell her on. So boys, that's all we got today. Again, like and subscribe. 20 likes on this video. Hit the bell notification for Aaron. He's not here today, he's away finding more work. We'll chat to you later. Alright, good luck.